Hello, and welcome to the cell.
Hello. Welcome to the mitochondria, or as I like to call it, the powerhouse of the cell. This is where energy is produced and stored in order to power the cell and keep it up and running.
I'm the powerhouse of this cell!
Mitochondria guard buttocks!
Sir, we have a problem in this smoothie yard. Sir, the gangs are fighting again. Sir!
Do you need me to smooth it over?
Sir. This is the smoothie yard. Here, they just call it smoother. The kitchen produces our lipids, fats, and carbs are broken down here in the lunchroom.
This is why I've trained so hard in the mitochondria. So that I have the power to keep everything over here in the cell.
He's like my little puppy. I tell him to sit, he sits. I tell him to speak, he speaks. I know all through my little nucleus here, and he doesn't act without consulting the nucleus.
This here's the nucleus. This is the control center of the cell where all the genetic information is stored.
So we seem to have a problem.
What seems to be the issue?
I found these two tottering, sheep-biting wagtails fighting in the lunchroom again.
We have sheep?
Shut up, imbecile.
Again, you say? I hate to say this, but you two need therapy. Go to the Golgi.
I don't need therapy! He needs therapy! No, you need therapy! You're the stupid... What did you tell me?
Take them away!
No, please, no!
Are you waiting for instruction? Get out.
Yes, sir.
Do I have to tell you everything?
Yes,
Just
sir.
check the lysosome.
Yes, sir.
What did I tell you?
Get out of here!
This is the Golgi apparatus. It's the re-education system. The Golgi whips our proteins back into shape before they're sent back into the cell or out into our society.
Welcome, gentlemen, to therapy. My job is to fix you.
What's up?
I receive the worst. Proteins from the cell. And I modify you in order to keep the prison. I take my job very seriously. I can understand that you two have been causing problems.
What? Me? No. Him? Yeah. But me? Never.
When I receive answers I do not like, you receive a consequence you do not like.
Well, I kinda liked it. Stop!
You'll learn eventually.
Don't you dare do that again, mister!
Although I am generally successful, some proteins can never be renatured. Some need to be contained solitarily in the vacuole.
This is the vacuole. This is where we store waste, water, and excess materials in the cell. But for our prison cell, this is where we store our crazy ones. And their waterworks.
Here is the rough ER. Our proteins are kept under lock and key by our lysosomes. Now, some of my vesicles aren't the brightest, but I assure you, these microfilaments and tubules keep them in.
Oh. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. If you could set the table, please. I want to get to some tea. Not one for propriety, are you?
Such a lovely setup.
It is indeed. Couldn't have done it better myself.
Please get to the chair, man.
Alright, let's go another round, my friend.
Some
I'll
tea!
top us off.
Oh, 'tis a merriment indeed. Oh, look at that porridge. Oh, it warms my heart. Let's take a big guzzle. Ah, we need a toast. My
We
apologies.
do need a toast.
What shall we toast to? The Golgi apparatus.
To the Golgi apparatus. For changing us.
You poisoned my tea!
Guess it didn't change me as much as they thought.
Alrighty. Let's get this big boy to the lysosome. Gotta recycle him into something better.
Hopefully better than it was before. Don't tell him I said it. Oh, wait, he's dead.
Alright. Here. Right through this door. Into the recycling center. Dead people are heavy.
So this is the tour of our cell.
The mitochondria,
The lysosome,
the ribosome,
the smoothie R,
the guard buttocks,
the Golgi complex,
and etc. ...
To be continued for another day.
Por fin más.
Es mucho más
The end.
and thee.
I bid thee adieu.
Amen.
You know, I'm not actually crazy. I just like the vacuum. Gives me a little bit of time to think. It's nice and comfy. You know, the strap jacket's actually like a blanket after a while.
Oh!